Are your screenshots cluttering up your desktop on your Mac? Well, today I'm going to show you how to change your screenshot save location on your Mac. It's really simple to do, no fluff, just the stuff. Let's dive right into this tutorial. So from our desktop here, we're going to open up our applications right here at the bottom. It says apps, it's a little icon. You can open that up. And under applications, we're going to scroll down and we're looking for the screenshot app. So it should be under the letter S here, right there. There it is for me. It's a little camera. If you're not seeing it, go ahead and type in screenshot here in applications and search for it. And we'll open that up. And once it opens up, it's going to look something like this. And you're going to see an option here that says options right there, a little drop down. Go ahead and click on that. And here at the top, it says save to. And currently it's set to desktop. That's why they're all showing up here on my desktop. You can save it to your documents if you just want it to go there, to screenshots, which is a folder I have. There's clipboard, mail, preview, or other location. So if you want to do it manually, we'll select other location. Otherwise, you can select one of those. And this will allow you to search your computer. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my documents. And I want it here in my documents. I'm going to create a new folder. I'm just going to call it screenshots. You can name it whatever you like. I'll just go ahead and hit create. And then now it says screenshots there. I'll just go ahead and hit choose. And now when I take a screenshot, it's not going to show up on my desktop anymore. It's going to go right into that new folder in my documents under screenshots. There it is. And really it's that simple to change your screenshot save location on your Mac. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and give me a follow on all your favorite social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care.